Question 18. Simplify 5x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4 minus 3 minus 3x to the power of 4 minus x squared plus 5x minus 8. And these are the answers. We need to choose one of them. So first we distribute negative to the second parenthesis. So first one will be the same and second one will be minus 3x to the power of 4 plus x squared minus 5x plus 8. Now we add the same exponents terms together. We have 4x to the power of 5x to the power of 4, and here we have negative 3x to the power of 4. So we get 2x to the power of 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we have minus 2x to the minus 2x cubed. We don't have any x cubed, so we write it down, minus 2x cubed. We have only one x squared, that is 1x, it will be x squared, so it is plus x squared. We have plus x here and negative 5x here. The result is minus 4x. Negative 3, positive 8 will be positive 5. Negative 3, positive 8 will be positive 5. So between these answers, this one, D, is the correct answer. 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 5. D is the correct answer.